Hi, I hope you have an enjoyable day. Now, today I'm going to share with you guys what is called support and resistance. But I think most of you have traded the market. Probably you have heard about support resistance, maybe stochastics, maybe MACD, and all these different technical indicators. So today I'm going to demystify some myth, and I will show you guys how to make profits consistently in the stock market. Now, I've heard a lot of people talk about support resistance. So today I'll just share one simple strategy on how to read the market for profits consistently. So support resistance is actually looking at specific levels. Take a look. If we look at this Dow chart, support resistance, we're actually looking at very specific levels. For example, look at this. This is the Dow Jones 5-minute charts. The support is 23900 and the resistance is around here, 24154. Support resistance focus on specific levels. But then, my question is this, guys. Have you ever wondered, how do you know a stock is going to hit a certain support? How do you know a stock is going to hit a certain resistance level? And then, from after hitting that level, it's going to bounce off or it's going to break down. So it's very shaky. It's not convincing. But I think more importantly, it doesn't give you that precision level. So over the years, I've refined my own trading. And I found that support resistance is good, but it doesn't give you that winning edge over something else that is so much better, which I'm going to share with you guys today. So one of them that I use almost every day that gives me certain kind of high level of precision is called the supply and demand zone. So what is the supply and demand zone? Now, if we look at this Dow Jones chart, we can see there are a few supply zones. One of them is here. Can you see? Can you see the breakdown here is very huge? Can you see the long bars? When it broke down, when the stock broke down from the long bars, it's so huge. That is where all the sellers is. So it formed a supply zone. And in the next supply zone, the next breakdown was here, this area. So this formed a second supply zone. The third supply zone is around this region. Okay, around this region when the breakdown was so huge. Now, this region formed a third supply zone. So as you can see, when the stock moves up to this along this region, the market went sideways and trended in the sideways. Why? Because so much sellers was here waiting to cut loss, waiting to sell off. Okay, so support resistance focus on specific level, supply and demand zone focus on specific region. Region is more powerful than specific levels. Why? Because no one can exactly tell you which price, which level that the stock will break out or break down. But at certain region where we can see sellers and buyers, we can use that to take our profits fast. So let me show you. Look at this Dow chart in the 5 minutes. So when the market crashed, can you see the market crash? Can you see these two long bars? Now these two long bars are sellers bars. So all the sellers who are selling here, as the market recovered, all these sellers are looking to those buyers who went to long this index here. Some of them have already cut some loss here, some cut loss here, while the market recovered, some are still looking to cut loss here. Okay? So the market formed a range. So in this range, if we know where's the supply and demand zone, it will protect us from our profits. So now looking at this chart, now the market went into a side mode. Now in this side mode, as you can see, the buyers are not strong. How do we know? How do we know the buyers are not strong? Take a look at this. After some strong buying, the market experienced another sell down again. And the sell down was so strong that it was because it has reached a supply zone. So I'll log into my account and I'll take a trade. Probably I'll just take about 5 contracts. I'll just take 5 contracts. I'll look to sell the Dow Jones. I'll place a trade to sell the Dow Jones. And I expect the market would hit the demand zone around here. Can you see this? Can you see this long bar here? So I expect the market to hit the demand zone here before I'll look to cover my shorts. So if you're interested to learn from me, if you're interested to know more about supply and demand zone, remember to click the subscribe button. And if you're interested to see me live in person, I hope to see you in the office and I'll show you more how to make consistent profits. So let me just show you the past few trades that we did. Tuesday, yesterday night, we made about $7,000. Can you see? Just using supply and demand zone, $7,000 Sing dollars under Wall Street. The day before, which is Friday, we were making good profits, $4,000 Wall Street, okay? Wall Street, $1,700. So the Wall Street has been giving us a lot of consistent trades. Last Friday, $3,000. Can you see? Wall Street, $3,000. And then, I think it was Thursday, another $2.5 thousand. Okay? And then there was one very beautiful night when the market had a huge plunge. And then when it started to recover, we made about USD $11,000. So really, if you are interested to know more about supply and demand zone, or how we take trades, how we execute precisely, how do we see certain region, click the subscribe button. Let me know if you are interested to know more about my next episode of the video, and I'll do more videos to assist you. With here, I'll end my trade, I'll end my video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks.